What is going on, everyone? I hope everyone's doing well. Here is an overview of how you can take advantage of copying my exact alerts using Alertsify. And I want to show you how powerful Alertsify is. Right. So most Discords, the biggest problem is right, someone posts an alert and it's super delayed, or the contract information isn't correct, or it's just not detailed enough and you don't know what to do. Right now, I never advise just strictly copying from someone's alerts. Right, you need to look at their alerts, see why they're entering, where they're entering, and why, the reason behind it. Right, you want to be able to fish for yourself. You don't just want to follow someone, the rest of your life. Now, in the beginning, it's good to follow someone to kind of get a gauge of what they're doing, see how it works, right? So, but just know following someone forever is not going to be the best, right? You want to be able to do it yourself. So here is how you can follow my alerts. Instantaneous. So every single morning, what I do is I put out a watch list, right? And I show you the Alertsify ticker strand that I have here, right? So here, Apple Spy, QQQ, IWM, GME. Those are my top setups for the day, as you can see here. And I post QQQ over this level, Apple over this level, GME over this level, right? With the charts. And what you should do here is you should really chart it out yourself. Go on your own chart, chart it out yourself. Make sure you have your own plan on your own chart. I think a lot of people fail to realize is I post my plans. I have everything charted out on my screen. You have the same exact thing on your screen, right? So your goal is to see and to put together the exact same thing that I have on my screen on yours, right? I've been doing it successful now for 13 years, making 7 figures a year. I have the same thing on my screen that you have on your screen. So all you need to do is put these together pre-market and you'll be ready to go. You'll know exact levels to get in, exact levels to get out, and you can get in instantaneously, right? So as I post the alert, so now let's go into following the alerts, right? You see the watch list here. I post the charts, I post the levels, and I post the Alertsify screen. So let's get into the alerts, right? So as I'm trading live, right? These alerts are me taking trades manually, but I use Alertsify here to alert my trades and to enter the trades for me. And it's instantaneously, right? So just an example, I have my Webull screen up here on the screen here. As you can see, I'm live on my phone. Now, right, let's say I alerted Apple here, right? Buy to open 388 contracts. I am trading a big size, right? This was $35,000 worth. Apple contracts, 257.5 calls, 1227 expiration at $90 per contract. Right. So here it shows the full contract, the value, and everything. So once you see this, you'll also get a notification, right? So you'll also get the notification I tag everyone at here. So you'll get that. And once you see the alert come through, right, I'm also trading live on Zoom, so you'll be able to hear me doing a voiceover. So not only are you getting written entry and exit alerts, but you're also getting it live on Zoom. So before I even enter the trade, I usually say I'm about to enter Apple 257.5 calls. When I go to take the trade here, right, and I hit, let's say, Apple 255 calls, and I hit buy, right, it just sent the order immediately and I got filled immediately. Now it pops up here and now I can see my live P&L of the trade, right? So I just got filled extremely quick. I'm on my test account here. Let's see, right? So I'm in the trade currently here. As you can see, got filled. And now let's go back to orders, right? If I was to sell one, let's hit send. And as you can see, it sells immediately right here. Sells immediately. Right now I only have one contract left. Now let's go to, let's sell this order, right? And you click sell and it sells immediately. So instantaneous alerts and entry and exits. It is extremely powerful. I cannot trade without this anymore. So you need to try it, right? You need to try it. It works for Webull, it works for E-Trade, and it is an absolute game changer. I can't even think to go You know, if I was on this Weeble here and I had to go to NVIDIA, then you go to options, right? Then you have to find your expiration. Then you have to find the strike price, right? Then you click this. Then you select your limit price. You know, if you want to do that at ask, then you click buy, right? It takes way too long to do that. So using Alertsify, this makes it instantaneous up to 5 names. You can follow 4 strikes at a time for each. You could change this. You could trade multiple accounts at the same time, right? So it is extremely powerful. I highly suggest you try it. There's a 10-day free trial. The link is in the description. And level up 2025, right? You get the real-time alerts, instant real-time exits, entries, alerts, live trading every single day on Zoom here, right? And you get the watch list, you get the team alerts, you get my alerts, and as you can see, right? I mean, you know, up 9,900 this day, up 13,000 this day. It's all there. It's all there. Now I'm not trading because it's Christmas and New Year's, but yeah. So hope everyone enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the Discord.